Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram set theme option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store and then tap on search app, search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps in latest version. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now go to settings and then go to apps or apps management option. Now find Instagram from the app list. Now tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen, press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.